saying that AI is still in its infancy, right? So, AI is not this black box that it exists in everywhere and everything that we do. It lives in many of our applications, but we're really looking at our application owners as the owners for another tool in their toolkit around what artificial intelligence can bring to their relative process, operations, and technology. So it requires a lot of definition and education. I think everyone's looking at AI a little bit differently. I don't think AI has, again, really strong standards around what it is and what it's not yet. But we're really looking and trying to take full advantage of where AI can bring opportunity to take care of patients better, to be more efficient, to look at, a level of getting things done in an easier, more manageable, better way. So at the end of the day, I think AI has a lot of application in healthcare, and it's still relatively untapped. And so we're just all learning this together. I think AI is different. And let me give you a couple examples why. So I think for the better part of my career, we've developed technology in healthcare to be not just transactional, but also essentially be that ability to collect data. So we have spent an inordinate amount of money and time developing EHRs, developing PACS programs, developing ERP solutions. And that used to be in the heyday of healthcare technology, what we all focused on. So we focused on these solutions around electronic health records, for example, not because we needed an EHR, but we focused on them so that we can get data and be rich in that data collection so that we can make better, informed, and useful decisions. So we're finally at this inflection point, really in the last few years, to take advantage of this data at the next level. And this is where AI is so different than development of a software application for what I'll call data warehousing or collection of data. AI is actually making this data useful and intelligent so that we can make better decisions. My mission, and I've said this for a long time too, is if I can aid in any way and make healthcare through digital capabilities just a little bit easier to consume for our providers, which hopefully translates better experience for our consumers, our patients, then I've made a little bit of an imprint on this very complex industry that we all want to influence, called healthcare and wellness and health and benefit.